Good afternoon, new and potential Midnapore School families. My name is Melanie Bennett and I'm the current principal here at Midnapore School. Here at Midnapore we have both a regular program and a Mandarin bilingual program. This video is for our regular program families. Normally at this time of year, we'd have an open house where you'd be able to come into our school and meet our teachers and see our building. Obviously this year we have to do things a little bit differently. So we've put this video together for our regular program families just to showcase some of the great work that's happening here at Midnapore School. If after watching this video you have any questions, please feel free to email or call us. Enjoy! Midnapore schools have served children and families in this area for over 120 years. Originally, Midnapore was a small hamlet just south of the city that consisted of only a church, a post office, and a woolen mill. Our current school site has been open since 1978, and right now we have roughly 400 children that go to school from kindergarten to grade 6. Our school has a large gymnasium with an operating climber, a large learning commons that has a wide range of resources with lots of technology and reading books. Our school motto is that we are a compassionate and collaborative learning community that focuses on recognizing student strengths to encourage risk-taking and learning. We provide opportunities for all students to reach their fullest potential. Throughout the day, students in our regular program engage in literacy, numeracy, science, social, physical education, art, and music activities. In our younger grades, teachers use a literacy program called Lively Letters to ensure that students develop early letter sounds and recognition. Our older students follow the strategies outlined in the Reading and Writing Powers of Adrian Gear. Teachers design their lessons using outcomes from the Alberta Program of Studies. Tasks are created at Midnapore School to meet the diverse needs of all our learners, ensuring a successful school experience for everyone. Students are able to express their understanding at Midnapore in many different ways. For example, through art, technology, hands-on learning experiences, and through paper pencil tasks. When you are able to visit our school building, you will most certainly see that our walls are decorated with amazing art activities. Students at Midnapore School are talented artists and participate in various art projects throughout the year. Midnapore School has a very strong school council. Our school council is made up of members from both our regular and Mandarin program. Over the years, the school council has fundraised lots of money to support the school in different ways. For example, just recently, they fundraised enough money to purchase and build a creative playground. This creative playground is enjoyed by students at recess and in lunch and is one of the highlights of our school. School council has also helped to outfit almost every single one of our classrooms with Chromebooks or MacBooks, as well as hire residencies that students get to participate in throughout the year. Each year, all CBE schools create a school development plan with input from teachers, school staff, students, and parents. We use many sources of data, from report cards to school surveys and teacher notes and observations, to create a plan that identifies and targets specific areas of growth. Our school development plan isn't meant to represent all the work that takes place in our school, but rather focus on specific areas for improvement. This year, Midnapore School has focused on two main areas through our SDP. The first has been on building meaningful relationships with students. We want to ensure that students feel known and heard by school staff. We know when this happens, students are more willing to take risks in their learning, which leads to higher student achievement. Staff have worked hard this year to provide opportunities for students to connect with each other, with the adults, and the environment around them. Our second area of focus this year has been on oral language development. Specifically, staff have been working with students to increase their understanding and accurate use of content-specific vocabulary during classroom learning experiences. Students have worked hard to become Midnapore word collectors, and throughout our classrooms and hallways, you can see evidence of students spending time working deeply with key terms and vocabulary. Students are excited to share the new words and terms that they have been learning. All right, now that you know more about the regular program at Midnapore School, it is time to register. All registrations this year will take place electronically. Please visit the registration page of the CBE website for more details. But if you have any questions, please call or email Ms. Stewart. She will gladly help you out. We look forward to meeting you and your child.